Hey, what's up everybody? This will be a slightly different video. We got a 12 volt vacuum cleaner motor with the fan and stuff, and we're going to pop it. A quick look at the setup. Variac output goes here, 2-phase into the transformer, rectifiers over there. After the rectifier goes to the DC motor. That multimeter there shows the voltage on the motor, and that multimeter there shows the voltage out of the variac. That goes into the transformer. So let's see what happens. And now we can slightly see everything. Motor there, 1.3 volts across the motor, 20 volts to the transformer. Let's crank the voltage up and see what happens. See if the motor flies away. I popped it. It smells nice. Yes, that was fun. We got a bit of a brush there, carbon bit, and there's the part of the commutator. So I think the motor is pretty dead. Let's do an autopsy and see what's inside the motor. It's warm and fresh. Burnt. Smells funny. So I have took it apart carefully. You can see that we got some commutators that flied out of that. There are 3 of those. One is still attached to the rotor armature. And here we got the carbon. Both carbons had flied out of that. They're supposed to be on those little metal things. Commutator. No, brushes. The brushes are out. And let's have a look inside that one. I didn't manage to get the armature out, but there you can see that there's no commutator left. Just one here. But the actual coil looks pretty good. It isn't burned. You can see one wire over here that has came off. It was supposed to be on the commutator. Yes, it has popped. So, thanks for watching.